Hey everybody, it's Alex. Tonight I'm bringing you a quick video tutorial on how to create an offline bundle package from a VMware installation bundle, aka a VIB file, to then import into vCenter Update Manager and apply to your ESXi host, or to simply add to a customized ESXi image. I'm going to be using a very easy to use community packaging tool created by Andreas Peetz from the VMware Front Experience called VIB2ZIP, which you can obtain from his website. The two drivers that I'm going to be creating offline bundles for are the VMware tools for nested ESXi and the Mac Learning DV filter, which are currently only available in VIB format, and I actually already have them installed on my ESXi host. The reason that I want to create an offline bundle for them, though, was so that I can import them into my patch repository within vCenter Update Manager, and then from there create a baseline of that package, so then I can ensure that I know exactly which drivers are installed on my system. Let's go ahead and get started. I've already downloaded the two VIB files, the ESXi tools and the MacLearn DV filter, and I've placed them both in their own respective folders so that when we use the tool, we point the tool to the folder that contains the VIB file. Let's just go over here real quick to the internet. I have the VMware Front Experience webpage open, clicked on the link here for the community packaging tools, and I also have another link open here which shows you written out how to use the utility to create an offline bundle from a VIB package. Additionally, I have some other tabs open here which are directly to the Flings website for the VMware tools for nested ESXi, which is how I downloaded this driver, as well as for the Mac Learning DV filter. And if you don't want to download them from the VMware Labs Flings page, you can also go on Andreas Peetz's vFront repository, and he has them available here as well, down at the bottom for download as a VIB file. So let's go ahead and get started. I've downloaded the utility. It's a self-extracting exe file, which will then extract out to a folder. So you go in here, and I'm going to double-click on the VIB2ZIP. Now, when you first launch this entire area here will actually be blank. The reason that I have some metadata pre-populated in here is because I've been playing around with the utility, so it basically has cached that previous information in there. So we're just going to ignore that and start from scratch. I'm going to change over and select the Browse button here to select the source VIB directory. So we will go here and click on the ESXi tools. I'm going to select the working directory and make that the same folder so that it exports the offline bundle to the same folder. Click on this load VIB, load from VIB. Now we can see it pulled over that metadata. The only thing that we have to provide here is the vendor code. Luckily for us, for these two drivers, Andreas has put the VMware vendor code on his website. So we'll just take a look at that real quick. This is for the ESXi tools, and we can see here that the vendor code is VMW for VMware. And let's just take a quick look over at the other one as well, just to confirm it's the same, which it also is, VMW. And I'm also going to go ahead here to the labs page and click on this and copy it so that I can include that here as the URL, which is optional. And then we're going to go ahead and hit run. Minimize this down. It only takes a few moments to complete. Once done, click OK. Let's go back in here and run this again. This time we are going to change over to the MacLearn DV filter VIB. Load from VIB. Same here. We'll put VMW. And let's go grab that link as well too for the MacLearn filter. Okay, minimize this down. Let's click run. Okay, now let's confirm that we do have those new offline bundle packages. And we do see one here for the ESXi tools. And we also see one here for the MacLearn filter. Additionally, it also did export out a log file, so you can take a look at that if you want. And at this point, you can take this offline bundle and import it into Update Manager within vCenter server, or you can take this and use it to create a customized ESXi image. I've had a great time showing you. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me tonight to take a look at this utility. I hope that this information has been informative for you, and I thank you for viewing.